loves, and welcome back to another interesting video. So join me today as I prepare dinner for my family, and today I'm actually going to be making one of my husband's favorite meals, so I can't wait to take you along. Today we are going to be having groundnuts, and I have just fried some of them, that is pan frying, and then the ones you're seeing here are the raw ones. I guess you can see the difference. Yeah, these ones here are raw, and the ones next here, for them they are ready. Actually, you can even just snack on them. So I usually buy and grind them myself, and it's what we are going to be doing today. I always love grinding them because, well, I discovered the ones that the paste we buy when it's already grinded, some of it actually comes when it's not clean. So I decided, why not actually do this at home? And if you are the person who also loves peanut butter, you can actually make peanut butter at your home. For health purposes, I would really recommend one to make the groundnut pastes at home like yourselves, guys. It also tastes different because of the detail you put to it. You know, the groundnuts are well fried, they are really well grinded to the texture that you want, and I always love the outcome. It always comes out so well, and I'm so glad that I can actually do this from the comfort of my home. So if this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you too for always coming back to watch our videos. So let's make dinner together. So I'm starting with grinding our groundnuts to get the paste out of it, and I'm grinding the ones that I have fried. Yeah, the fried ones. And if you're curious, this I'm using is a grinder that came with my blender. So if you have a blender, you can easily do this. Actually, if you love peanut butter, you can make it at your home. So I'm going to be grinding everything, and then I'll be showing you how the texture looks like. Yeah, as I said at first, I would definitely recommend this over and over again, because your groundnuts will always turn out so well. So as you can see, these are the ones that are ready grinded, and this is the texture. So if you want peanut butter, you grind it even the more. The more you grind it, the more it gets actually softer. So yeah, that grinder that came with your blender, it's not just for onions and all these other maybe vegetables. It can actually also grind your groundnuts or any other things that you desire at home. And I'm so glad that this is something that is working for me. Yeah, so with the groundnuts, we are going to be having them with silverfish. Silverfish, here in Luganda we call it mukene. Let me know how you call silverfish. I'm going to be showing you how it looks like later in the video, but let's get done with the grinding of our groundnuts to paste, and then we'll proceed. This one had poured in even.
It's powder chocolate.
This is not chocolate. Hey, this is very smooth. Oh my God. Larry, come and see. This one is like chipoli.
Scars.
Even better than chipoli. Oh my god.
Mommy, what I want to taste it.
Smooth. So friends, I guess now you can see what I was talking about. If you are the kind of person that loves peanut butter, look at this, guys. This is the perfect peanut butter I've ever seen. Like literally, I am so happy because I've never tried to make it this smooth. I think it's because I left it longer. Yeah, it came out so nice. And so this is the silverfish that I was telling you about. We call it mukene here in Luganda. I don't know how you call it in your local language. Let me know how you call mukene. I've had some people call it omena, you know. And this fish actually is very nutritious. What I've discovered, actually, it's an appetizer for the children. So I'm going to be grinding it as well and getting the powder out of it because my children don't love eating it. So I'm going to be mixing it in the nuts so that they can eat it without knowing that they're actually eating it. Well, that's a mom hack. If you are a parent and you struggle with making your children to eat food, well, this is a natural appetizer. It can boost their appetite so that they can be able to eat, you know, more food, especially for toddlers. And also, this is a perfect combination with the nuts, the groundnuts. They always add flavor to your nuts and they will always smell good. Not only that, but also taste really nice. So my husband loves this kind of combination, and that's why I am doing it. So now that we are done with grinding everything together, we'll be mixing up and then putting some water to dissolve, and then later we put everything on the fire. And then as our sauce is boiling on the fire, I'm going to be peeling some matooke, because what other combination to have with matooke than with nuts with some fish in it? Yeah, it's actually one of the best combinations I've had so far with matooke. It always tastes amazing, and actually this is definitely one of my husband's favorite, and I should say it is the staple food for Baganda because they love eating matooke so much. So matooke with nuts, they are a perfect combination. So let's peel our matooke and we proceed with the rest of the cooking. And just before we knew it, our food was ready. Yeah, we had it with rice on the sides, definitely because our children love rice so much. So I decided to put it on the sides as well, and this food tasted really nice. And I'm also glad that our children actually managed to eat and finish up everything. They actually didn't know that I had put silverfish in our groundnut sauce. Yeah. I recommend that hack for every parent who has children that don't like eating food. Literally, those are my children. But then also I didn't record their plates because before we started eating, me and my husband, they had almost finished theirs, so they were that impatient. But I'm glad that I cooked this meal because we really loved it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you too for watching today's video. If you are going to be trying out this kind of meal, kindly let me know. If you have never tasted it, I would recommend that you actually test it out. It was amazing, tasted really nice. So thank you friends for watching today's video, and we'll see you in the next video.